Mbega byiza. Nshaka inkweto z'umutuku. Nyogokuru ndakwinginze. Okay. Nangahe? Amadolari 10. $10 arayamuha. Urakoze nyogoko. Karen, uri gukora iki? Nyogoko ndi kubyina. Kana n'ibyishimo byinshi. Yenda kabyina mu nzira.
She is dancing here.
Ari kubyinira hano. Abyinira hano, akabyinira hariya. N'umubyinnyi mwiza.
That's right.
Sawa. Nyogokuru wawe ari kwa muganga. Karen, jya mu rugo ndakwinginze. Babarira sinajyayo. Kana karakomeza karibyinira. Oh, ngiye kuryama. Oh, Karen. Ntubyina. Jya kwa muganga nonaha. Urakoze cyane. Nyogokuru mbabarire. Mama, uri he? Ndi mu gikoni. Uri gukora iki? Ndi guteka isupu. Wamfasha? Yego nagufasha. Ntiwiruke. Dore isupu irashyushye. Uri he? Ndi mu cyumba. Ibi ni ibyawe. Urakoze. Irashyushye cyane. Umeze neza? Yego meze neza. Urakoze.
Close your eyes, please.
Funga amaso yawe ndakwinginze.
Okay.
Yego.
Good morning.
Waramutse neza?
Good morning. Come in, please.
Waramutse neza ndakwinginze ngwino.
Open your eyes, please.
Fungura amaso yawe ndakwinginze.
Oh, he has big ears.
Oh, afite amaso manini.
Can you help me?
Wamfasha?
Sure I can.
Yego nagufasha.
How nice. Thank you.
Mbega byiza, urakoze.
You're welcome.
Urakaza neza.
Put on your hat, please.
Ambara ingofero yawe ndakwinginze.
Great.
Byiza cyane.
How are you?
Umeze ute?
Are you okay?
Umeze neza?
I'm okay.
Yego meze neza.
The king has big ears.
Umwami afite amatwi manini.
The king has big
Umwami afite amatwi manini.
Jack, where are you?
Jack, uri he?
Look here, Mom.
Reba hano mama.
Watch out.
Okay.
Oh, reba mo imbere. Okay.
Where's my box?
Akabogisi kanjye kari he? Kari ku ntebe.
No, it's not on the
Nta kari ku ntebe.
Look, who's that?
Oh,
Reba uriya ninde?
you have my box.
Oh, ufite igikapu ufite akabagasi kanjye. Oh no.
Mom,
Oya.
I'm here.
Mama ndi hano.
Jack?
Thank you.
Jack manuka. Thank you. Urakoze.